Good afternoon. Today we'll be presenting Team 4's progress report for the final phase. So most people would likely consider a used car for the next auto purchase because they're a lot more affordable. However, people express concerns over a used vehicle reliability because some car dealers are known to tamper with the car's mileage, and the true condition of a car is not as described most of the time. For example, sometimes people want to get rid of a very old used car, so they sell it at a fair price, but you have no way of knowing how many accidents that car has been, how many things have been changed from that car. So if there was a way to have access to the vehicle's history, that would alleviate these concerns and generate plenty of trust in the used vehicle market. For our development process, we divided our team members into two groups of three. One would work in the front end and the other would work in the back end. But we also paired up front end developers with back end developers whenever key features such as car transferring functionality would be developed. We coordinated weekly meetings to select sprint backlog items and designate roles and report our progress. We also maintain communication throughout the week via WhatsApp. So this sprint consisted of redesigning the entire homepage. We added a new navigation bar with services section that included different functionalities such as adding a vehicle, managing the vehicle, and finding stores. We added a slider that displayed the available stores, and we also added a footer containing a brief description of the project. Here, you could also navigate to the different pages of the website, and we also displayed contact information of the company. We also added a fully functioning registration and logging.
For the development process on the backend, we use PJadmin or DataGrip to manage data from the database. Through these programs, we can create or modify tables using SQL language and verify that the data is handled correctly. The programs are connected remotely with Heroku Postgres database. Implementation to map specific URL to associated function inside app.route is the route and method to perform some task when it's called by the front end. We added some functions to handle and organize the information from app routing call using lists and dictionaries data structures and pass it to the DAO, data asset object file. The DAO data access object implementation to access the data stored in the database through SQL queries. Thank you all for your attention.